Hey guys, it's Ramiro, General Sales Manager INEOS Grenadier of Arrowhead. I want to share this with you guys. We're about 15-20 minutes away from State Farm Arena. We're in Glendale, Arizona, right off of your 101 Union Hills and Beardsley. Right behind me is my retired demo program that I have available because somebody got in my market. Guys, take advantage of what I have to offer. You can go get a pre-owned vehicle for a similar price point or buy a brand new Grenadier station wagon with similar options. You got your nice 2.5-inch iBox springs that are brand new, your 35-inch Toyos, nice wheels, your steering damper. They're all gonna come with your side steps, rock sliders, and in the rear, it's gonna come equipped with your relocation bracket, your nice 35-inch Toyos, and your wheels. Guys, take full advantage. Again, you do whoever you want to do business with. I understand. Keep in mind, we're available 7 days a week. We're happy to assist in the transportation business, but take advantage of a great deal when you can own a new Grenadier for a price of a pre-owned. I want to show you what your Grenadier station wagon looks like stock. This right here is your Magic Mushroom. It's a very unique color and our top seller that we currently have available. Now, with that being said, you have 2 models, 3 trim levels. The good part about it is the quality is all the same. It's what do you want standard. I'm gonna show you guys after your stock form what we can do to enhance it. I call it your lifestyle edition. We all understand not everybody's an overlander. They wanna go camping, hunting, fishing. Some people just wanna have something that's different, and I can tell you this, here at Arrowhead, we make them different. Not only do we make it different, we ship all over the country, guys. I want to fit your lifestyle. Give me the opportunity, but let me show you the stock form. With your Fieldmaster, Trailmaster editions, and even your 4x4s, they can come equipped with your alloy wheels, your steelies. You have a utility rack where you can add some items from tie downs, from tables, rods, and all. We've got a lot of extra equipment on it, guys, but I just want to show you what makes this product unique. As you can see here, guys, this Magic Mushroom is very well equipped. Now take a look on the inside, guys. This product here is different. It's simple, looks like a cockpit, guys. Come on down to 101 Union Hills and Beardsley. Let me show you what this style is about, and I'm happy to earn your business. Now, what I have behind us is gonna be your Grenadier station wagon. There's 2 models, 3 trim levels. Now, these trims are something that I designed here at Arrowhead because we all have different kind of lifestyles. And with that being said, I wanna show you what we have available. Right behind me is gonna be Werewolf. This is our Crown King edition. With that being said, it's gonna have nice suspension, do have nice details, and a lot of upgrades for enhancement on going off-roading, off-grid, hunting, fishing, camping, you name it. Now behind me is gonna be Blade. With Blade, it's the same color, which is your inky black. This is just gonna be more of the cleaner finish. When I say that, we partnered where we do paint protection film all across the vehicle to protect it from Arizona pinstriping, rock chips, and to have that nice satin finish because of the details. You do have nice the bougie wheels with the tires and your Fox suspension, and it's gonna come with your power deploy steps. All about details, guys. Now, finishing up with Blade, we're gonna have more of our Overlanders. I have Cookie, which is your Overland 2 package. With Cookie, it has a lot of enhancements with your Baja fog lights, triple Rs. We have hidden light bars, 40-inch light bars, and you're also gonna have a lot of other upgrades. If you wanna go off-grid, hunting, fishing, camping, you name it, you can do it. Now, behind me on Cookie, you're gonna have Clifford. That is your entry level of the Overland 1 package. Very beautiful, nice details. Similar equipment like Cookie, where you have your fog lights, your hidden light bar, your nice suspension. We partner with King and Fox, has your nice rugged wheels, and then of course up top, you're gonna have your awning. Now on the side, you'll see you have Molly panels. We offer from water, gas, diesel tanks. We have it all, guys. Now again, I just wanted to show you what we have here to build to fit your lifestyles. With INEOS Grenadier, guys, I just showed you the Grenadier station wagon. Behind me, we have the Grenadier Quartermaster. This is your pickup version. Now, behind me is gonna be Green Goblin. This is our most fan favorite, which is gonna be your Arrowhead MVP package. It's similar to Blade, where it has the full stealth MVP package with the paint protection film. The difference here is we color match the bumpers, your flares, it's got the nice wheels and tires, all about your details, and we have the black appearance package where we smoke out all your lights. Now behind me is gonna be our entry level, which is your Arrowhead package. This is Baymax. It's still gonna be clean and about details again, guys. You have the nice 2.5-inch lift with your 35s, your nice wheels, custom wheels, a matter of fact, with your suspension, and it's all about details, guys. We did powder coat your brakes, your springs, and your suspension. But again, guys, it's Green Goblin, Baymax. I wanted to bring you to the back where the magic happens, where it's built for adventure. Right here's our service department where we make it happen from paint protection films and all. But I have my right hand here, Justin Tran, my service director.
Hey guys, my name is Justin Tran, over here at Arrowhead Grenadier Service Department. Bring in your vehicles for any service, anything you need, we build it all here. Stereo system, lifts, wheels, electrical, lights, anything you can think of, you name it, we can build it.
Guys, again, as I mentioned, it's built for adventure. Everybody has different lifestyles, whether it's hunting, fishing, camping, going off grid, or just going to the mall or grocery store. We make them different. And when I say that, all over the country, guys, we ship. And by doing so, we do wraps, paint protection films, lift, tires, wheels, 4 levels of sound systems. We do Starlight interiors, and we also make sunroofs. Guys, as I just mentioned outside, why we're doing this is because somebody got on our market. By doing so, I still want to be able to offer similar price point of what they're offering with a brand new Grenadier. As I mentioned, it's a courtesy vehicle program vehicle, which is still considered new, has some mileage. Now behind me, I want to show you firsthand what we have to offer. So back here is going to be your stock bracket. We're going to add a relocation bracket up top, so we put your 35-inch tires with your wheels. As you see here, we're going to add your up springs, where we're going to add it to 2.5-inch springs with your 35-inch custom tires, and of course your nice wheels. As of right now, we've already added your rock sliders with side steps. This program, guys, is a phenomenal program because you're getting essentially a pre-owned price with a brand new station wagon with the lift, tires, wheels, stabilizer, sliders, all at essentially no cost for a brand new Grenadier station wagon. Come down, come see us, happy to assist, and don't forget, we ship nationwide, built for more. Guys, just showed you my home. Again, I appreciate you guys very much for watching. Again, it's Ramiro, General Sales Manager, INEOS Grenadier of Arrowhead. I wanted to show you what it looks like on the outside, from your stock forms to our lifestyle editions, whatever fits your lifestyle. Show you where the magic happens, because again, it's built for adventure. But again, guys, if you're looking for a Grenadier or curious for a Grenadier, give us the opportunity. We're about 15-20 minutes away from State Farm Arena. We build them different, and not only do we do that, guys, if you're looking for a deal, I can assure you why we are one of the top dealers in the entire country and the world. Come on down, INEOS Grenadier of Arrowhead, home of your Southwest headquarters, built for more, rugged, made simple.